one day, there was two little rabbits. There was one on this side, and oh, you've heard this one? And there's there's one on this side of the ravine, and there's one on this side of the ravine. And one day they noticed each other, and they like walked up the ravine. They couldn't find a way over, and they walked back down. They still couldn't find a way over. And then one magical day, they found a solution. Do you know what that was? No. Neither do I. I just wanted to hold your hand.
And $50 later,
Rico lost his virginity to a horse.
That's almost drum roll worthy.
Crackle, crackle.
Oh, we've got to have the proper one as well.
This is for the record. This is what comes of creativity in stage combat in Norwegian.
Hang on, I gotta take the coat.
Oh wow.
It's on.
It is on. You gotta take the coat off.
It is on.
I will expose my pinkedness. Why is that black man on the floor?
That's how we roll.
I feel very unsafe.
You want me to go get one of the whips?
Yes, massa.
And crackle, crackle. You're an asshole. You are an asshole. You